Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see if someone is online on Bumble using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Bumble app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on chat. This opens your list of matches and conversation. Tap on the match you want to take. This opens the chat screen with that person. Bumble shows a green dot or active now label near the profile picture. The person is currently online. If there is no green dot or label, the person is not online, but you can still send message. They will see them when they come back. Sometimes Bumble shows active X hours ago if the person isn't online now. This helps you estimate if they likely to reply sooner or later. And that's it. Now you know how to check if someone is online on Bumble using a phone. Look for the green dot or active now label to see who currently active and ready to chat. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.